today I will show you how you can customize your Google Chrome homepage like this. As you can see, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser and search for Material New Tab extension and hit enter. Now click on this first link. Here you can see this Material New Tab extension icon. So you have to install this extension. Click on Add to Chrome. Then Add extension. Now open new tab, and when you open new tab, you will see your Google Chrome homepage completely changed. Here you can see this is live clock where you can see time, and this is your notes where you can add any important notes what you want to do. For example, I will write here hello friends. Here you can see a lot of options. This is weather information here you can see, and this is our search bar, and below you will see these are different types of search engines which you can easily access directly from here. Now click on this right button and scroll down. Now choose any type of color. Let's suppose we will choose this red color, and you will see our Chrome homepage is now red. Now again go to this icon and go to color palette and choose a different color. Here we will choose this yellow color, and when you choose yellow color, your Chrome homepage will completely change. Now again come to this color palette and change this blue color, and as you can see this is our home page. By using this type of technique, you can customize your Chrome home page.